Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at this gold for the next day. We want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. So before we actually get started, right, make sure you click on that subscribe button. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you like, share, and also make a comment. I would love to watch out for it. So first of all, before placing any trade, right, first question we would want to ask ourselves and we would want to answer is what is the trend for that movement? So before you place any trade, you would want to know the trend for such movement. So we can see that this is our gold. We are on an uptrend move. And one of the reasons why we are having an uptrend move on gold is that our DXY is actually giving us a bearish move. There's kind of like a correlation between our DXY and our gold. This is one of the reasons why we're having XAUUSD. So when there is a drop on USD, we tend to see a bullish move on our gold. And when there is a bullish move on DXY, we tend to see a bearish move on the gold. So we can see about recent, if you take a look at your DXY is giving us a bearish move. One of the reasons why we're having a bullish move on our gold. Secondly, we can see that this is an uptrend move, right? Secondly, we can see that this price is trading above our moving average, right? We all know that once price is below the 10 period moving average, this period moving average I'm using is actually 10. So we all know that once it is below this 10 period moving average, then definitely it is a sell, right? We have to go ahead and sell. But once it is trading above it, then it is a buy. So this is what we are expecting on gold. So it is a buy. Now, to be able to predict this price for the next movement, right, we can see that price is actually reacting to a level, right? We saw that price has once come to this level. We saw a rejection on a daily time frame. Price came to the same level. A rejection was made. This is one of the reasons why huge candlestick wick is sticking out. Same thing here. You see that a rejection was made here. And when you take a look at this level that I've highlighted there, right, you see that price is kind of reacting to the same level. So if you want to see this as a mini support and resistance level, then fine, that is up to you. You can go ahead and take a look at it like that. But one thing I am seeing on this gold is that I would want it to drop to tap this, what we like call it support, mini support level. If you want to see it, then this our gold will now rise up. Above all, this gold, if there will be much movement for the next, if there will be good movement, then definitely this gold to get to a level of 1823. So currently gold is trading at 1798. So let's see if we can get to a level of possibly 18,800, but we should be able to break above it. We should watch out for a target of 1814. Then next movement we will watch out for is 1823. But let's see if we can get to a level of 1814. So now let's take a look at this target. So we all should be watching out for a target of 1814. So this gold, right, we would see expect a bullish move. Also have it in mind that price can eventually drop, right, which I think should happen. And if it does not drop, then we will see it actually give us that bullish move to a level of 1814. And if in case it drops, then we would see it drop to the same level and give us that bullish move again for a level of 1814. So to be able to understand this price better and place the trade, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see it. Let me take out this level here. So take a look at this gold, right? On the 4-hour time frame, you can see something like a ranging market move, right? You can see a movement like this as the support, this will be seen as a resistance, then back to the support and again to the resistance level. You can see it came close to the support level, right? I think it's even hit the support level, so we will take this as a support level. So we will now see this level give us. So let's see it. If we go bullish a little bit, a pullback would be made. Then it will now give us that bullish move again. That will get to a level of 1814 and possibly go to a level of 1813. That's what we are watching for. Now I told you guys that we should watch out for a level of 1823, right? But before we get to a level of 1823, we should first of all hit a level of 1814. So first level we would watch out for is 1814. Once our price can get to that level of 1814, then we should watch out for a next level of 1823. So above all, we would want to see our gold give us a bullish move for the next day. So let's watch out for gold for the next day.